Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. And today I'll be teaching you how to enable the floating window on your Galaxy A17, all versions. First, you need to open the app you want to use in a floating window. Now you have to exit this app. You need to exit, okay? You should do this with the app you want to use in a floating window. Now you're going to click on this option. All the apps that are open in the background will appear. You will look for the app you want to use in a floating window. Click on the app's icon and here you'll select this option. This way, the app is now in a floating window. If you click on the corner of the app and make this movement, you will decrease the size of the window. And this way, you can increase the size of the floating window. By clicking on this icon here, you can move the floating window around your phone screen. Okay, I'll do the process again. I'll click here, and we can move the floating window around your phone screen. To close this floating window, you need to click here, then click the X, and the floating window will close. Okay, so that was today's video. I hope I was able to help you. If I helped, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.